this is Matt from AVNation.tv. We are here in lovely Las Vegas, Nevada at Infocomm 2018. We were in the Peerless-AV booth with Nick Belcore. How are you, sir?
I'm well, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Good to see you again. Last I saw you, we were at ISE, causing not trouble. We were just having a great conversation, talking about some great new products. Today we're in your booth looking at a couple of things. We were standing in front of the screen dunk tank.
We are.
Which I don't know if that's the official verbiage.
We have called them.
Nice.
We call them torture chambers. So we've set up three of the most harsh adversarial environments that we believe an outdoor display will face, and we've done that so that potential customers can experience the robustness of this design and how it sort of uniquely meets their needs.
And you've had outdoor displays in the past. We've talked about them before, but this is your new Xtreme line.
Correct.
And you know, right behind us, we're showing that it's getting dunked completely in a bucket of water.
Yes.
Which is a little bit more than your typical under the eave getting some rain on it. Why did you go to that extreme? Like that play on words?
That's the name, yes,
yeah.
I like it.
Why did you go to that extreme in designing this so that it can withstand that kind of torture?
The purpose of the deployment of the Xtremes was to address a previously unaddressed need in the marketplace. So as you had alluded to, the Xtreme is not a new product. It's been out for about 8 years. This is the 2500 nit, even more robust from an impact standpoint version of that Xtreme that has some additional features like the ability to report in on itself and the general health of the display, which helps from an advertising standpoint and helps for anyone that wants these deployed and wants to monitor the status of the network from a network operations center. So we added all of those features. But to answer your question, the principal problem with outdoor commercial displays is the ability for things to ingress into them and ultimately cause them to flame out. Magnetized brake dust in transit is a particular problem from rail or bus. Bug ingress is a problem. And lastly, water. Water not so much from the ambient environment around it, but ironically from facilities maintenance crews, because we know that they like to come and power wash everything.
Yes.
And so that was a problem for a number of commercial outdoor displays that were out there. So we made sure that the Xtreme could handle 3,400 pounds per square inch of power washing from any angle. So it's facilities maintenance proof, so to speak.
It's fantastic. When we look at the other test that's kind of to our side here, you're doing a direct weight hit.
Yes.
You show in the video hitting it with golf balls. Traditionally, even with Xtreme and protected displays, that's still going to cause a problem.
Yes.
Why did you go to that level?
We had to take the display to the next level. We sold tons of these in mass transit. And what we found out, particularly with one of our major deployments in California, is that just one highly motivated criminal can wreak havoc on the displays that are set up by the transit authority.
Right.
So our old displays were IK8, which is a very, very tough surface area. But yet they were able to break the same display over and over again. So we went to IK10 Plus. So now these can take a 60-mile-an-hour impact from a baseball, from some other projectile, and we even dropped a 10-pound bowling ball on it from 4 feet above it onto the center of the display. A highly motivated criminal is still going to break it, but man, we're going to make them work for it. So this is going to be the most robust solution available from. Yes.
Yeah, you got to challenge the criminals.
That's right.
Very good. Beyond that, what else are you showing at this show? I saw some seamless stuff.
So at this show, we are launching our seamless LED system.
Okay.
What that is it's either an all-in-one system or a customizable bespoke solution for people that are looking to deploy LED walls. We have full structural engineering support, design engineering support, on-site project management, and installation services.
Really?
Yes. We are tile agnostic. We partner with a number of people, but most notably NEC, LG, Samsung, and Epson.
Okay.
And there's a variety of others as well. We want whichever tile they want deployed to be used, and then we want to take it from there for them, or at least render any portion that they require from us to them. Because what we found is, unlike their LCD counterparts, there's still a lot of fear about deploying LED walls, and there's a lot involved in them. We wanted to remove that fear and make it a seamless experience for the end user, which is ultimately why we named the program Seamless.
Is that something that is designed to really help the dealer just continue to sell down that line, even if it's not, say, a main section or portion of their business?
Yeah, that's exactly correct. It's also designed to help people cross over into that space who are trying to do it. Because now all you have to do is be aware of a project, and you can literally flip it over the fence to Peerless-AV, and our Seamless program will take over and complete it for you under your umbrella of your company. But yet with the time and history of Peerless-AV deploying it, and we'll make sure that the customer is delighted with it.
Now, where is that available? Is that only available in the U.S. currently?
Only available in the U.S. right now.
Okay.
We are looking at deploying it in Europe. but the nature of Europe is a little bit different, and so updates as developments warrant.
Very good. The last thing I saw when I was walking through kind of pre-interview was a cart. Carts are always a big deal. We're always having people and clients, end users looking for carts. You guys have done something that I haven't really seen in a cart previously that I can think of. In not only is it adjustable, it also converts.
Yes.
Let's talk about that for a moment.
We launched its little brother several months back, which is just a motorized height adjustable cart that's primarily going into education as we see it, corporate boardroom and staging a little bit. But then we've also been asked for something that turns into basically a flat or collaboration table.
Okay.
And so its big brother now has the same height adjustment as its predecessor, but also goes into a tabletop display.
When you start looking at making that shift from a height adjustable to a tabletop, are there additional concerns as far as durability and functionality when you do that?
Great question. They're very similar to the height adjustable in that it simply has to work.
Of course.
You have to get thousands upon thousands of cycles out of it in order to make it worthwhile for the investment that the customer is making. With their old mechanical counterparts, that was a lot less of a concern. And so we made sure that these all passed their UL cycle testings and that people will enjoy them for whatever the reasonable life of the product is.
Fantastic. So if people want to find out more information about Xtreme, your seamless products, the new tabletop convert stand, all of the products that you have available, where can they do that?
They can do that on www.peerless-av.com. That's also a great place for them to interact with our new LED wall builder, which is the only one of its kind, which is accessible by our website currently and our new website, which is coming imminently.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Good to see you.
For more footage from the show floor and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.